told that it's getting hot. Yes, I'm sipping when it's dripping out. It's done. I need a second round and pour a lot. And don't you stop till my soda pop fizzles out.